Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation during one day in an American city. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a wife learning English and her American husband. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. In American coffee shops, what size is tall, small, medium, or large? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Ryan.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
A little. I am still tired and nervous.
Nervous about today?
Yes, we are in your country now. I have to speak English all day.
You have studied for many years. You can do this.
But studying and speaking are different. In my head, the words come, but in my mouth, they stop.
I know. That is why I have a small idea for today.
An idea? What is it?
I want you to walk around the city alone. I will be close, but I will sit and read. You order, you ask, you speak.
Alone? Ryan, I cannot.
You can. I will be close, but the words have to come from you.
I am scared.
Look, I have something for you.
What is it? It is a small paper.
Yes, it is folded. Do not open it now.
What is inside?
That is a secret. Open it only when you really need help. Promise?
I promise. But why is it a secret?
Because if you know, you will not try first. I want you to try first.
Okay, I will keep it in my bag.
Good. Are you ready?
Not really, but I will go.
One more thing. You do not have to be perfect. Just speak.
Just speak. Okay, I can do that, I think.
Where do you want to start?
Maybe the coffee shop on the corner.
Good idea. Order for both of us. A small coffee for you and a tea for me.
For both of us? Oh, no.
You can do it. Easy words. Coffee, tea.
Coffee, tea. Okay.
I will sit by the window. Take your time.
Wait for me.
Always.
Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning.
What can I get for you today?
One coffee, please, and one tea.
Sure. What size for the coffee?
Size?
Yes. Small, medium, or large?
Oh, small? Small, please.
We say tall here. Tall, grande, or venti.
What?
Just our names for sizes. Tall is the smallest.
Tall is small? That is strange.
I know, it confuses everyone, even Americans.
Then tall, please.
One tall coffee. And the tea?
Hot, please. Green tea.
Hot, tall, green tea. Got it.
Yes.
Anything else? A snack? A cookie? A muffin?
No. No, thank you.
Okay, that will be $8.50.
$8.50. Okay.
Card or cash?
Card, please.
Tap right here on the screen.
Tap. Okay.
Great. Your name, please?
My name?
Yes, we write it on the cup.
Oh, my name is Lily.
Lily, got it. We will call you when it is ready.
Thank you.
Tall coffee and hot green tea for Lily.
Yes, that is me.
Here you go. Be careful. The coffee is very hot.
Hot. Yes. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Ryan, I am here.
There you are. How did it go?
It was hard. So hard.
But you have 2 drinks. You did it.
Yes, but I felt small, like a child.
Why?
I did not know tall. Tall is small. In English class, small is small.
I know. Coffee shops have their own words. Even Americans get confused.
Really?
Really. The first time I ordered, I said medium and they said grande. I just stared.
You? You stared?
Yes, so you are not alone.
That helps a little.
Did you open the paper?
No, I almost did, but I did not.
Good. Save it.
Why save it?
Because today is not finished. You may need it later.
Maybe.
Eat your sandwich. It is your favorite.
Yes, I am hungry now.
Can I tell you a small tip?
Yes, please.
When the words do not come, do not push. Use the words you know.
The words I know.
Yes, if you do not know available, say free. If you do not know expensive, say a lot of money.
Easy words.
Yes, people understand. They are happy you are trying.
I will try.
One more thing. It is okay to be slow. Slow is fine.
Slow is fine. Okay.
Where do you want to go next?
Maybe a small store. Something simple.
There is a gift shop 2 blocks away. They sell small things. Postcards, magnets, t-shirts.
A gift shop. Okay, I will go.
I will sit in the park. The weather is nice.
Wait for me.
Always.
Hello.
Hi there. Welcome. Looking for anything special today or just looking around? I have a sale on t-shirts and magnets. Postcards too. Take your time. Where are you visiting from? Sorry, am I asking too much?
One moment, please. I will check my note.
Of course.
I am learning English. Could you say that again, please?
Sure. Let me slow down. What are you looking for today?
A gift for my mother. Something small.
Small. Got it. A magnet? A postcard?
A postcard, but a special one, not the same as the others.
Special. We have handmade ones in the back.
Handmade?
Made by hand. Made by people. Not by machine.
Oh, yes, please. I want to see them.
Right this way. Here we are. These are all handmade by local artists.
Wow, they're beautiful.
Each one is different. No 2 are the same.
This one, with the bridge.
A great choice. The artist lives near here.
My mother will love it. How much, please?
$5.
$5. Okay, I will buy it.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Top right here. Perfect. Here is your postcard.
Thank you. Thank you for waiting.
Of course. And by the way, your English is great.
Really?
Yes, you speak well, and you ask when you do not understand. That is the best way to learn.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Have a good day. Hello.
Hello there. What can I get you?
One ice cream, please.
Sure. Which flavor?
What flavors do you have?
Many. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, mint, coffee, cookies and cream, and pistachio.
Pistachio?
Yes, green ice cream. Made with nuts.
Oh, I see. What do you recommend?
Me? I love pistachio, but it is not for everyone.
Why not?
Some people do not like nuts, or the green color is strange to them.
I see. What about cookies and cream? What is that?
Vanilla ice cream with little pieces of cookie inside.
That sounds good. I will try it.
1 scoop or 2?
1 scoop, please.
Cup or cone?
Cone, please.
Sugar cone or waffle cone?
What is the difference?
Sugar cone is small and hard. Waffle cone is bigger and softer.
I will try the waffle cone.
Good choice. That will be $4.
$4. Card, please.
Top right here. Here to go. 1 scoop of cookies and cream on a waffle cone.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
First time in the city?
Yes, first day.
How is it so far?
It is good. People are kind, and I am speaking English a little.
A lot, I would say. You sound great.
Thank you. I was scared this morning. Now I feel better.
That is a big change in one day.
Yes, thank you. Have a good evening.
You too. Enjoy the ice cream.
I will.
There she is. How was your afternoon?
Good. Very good. I had ice cream.
Just ice cream?
And a postcard for my mother.
That sounds perfect.
Ryan, I have to tell you something.
Yes?
I feel my English is getting better today.
I can see that.
This morning, I could not say anything. Now I am ordering ice cream and asking questions.
I am proud of you.
Thank you. But I have a question.
Yes?
The note, the folded paper, what is inside?
Did you open it?
Yes, at the gift shop.
And?
3 sentences. I am learning English. Could you say that again? Thank you for waiting. Just 3?
Yes, just 3.
But Ryan, the note was so simple. Why did it help so much?
Because the note was not magic. You were the magic.
Me?
Yes, you spoke. You asked. You waited. The sentences only helped a little. The rest was you.
Really?
Really, even with a blank paper, you can do the same. The strength is in you.
A blank paper?
Almost. Look at the note again.
Wait, the back. There is more writing.
Read it.
I am proud of you. You tried today. That is enough. Ryan,
I wrote that last night.
I did not see this part.
I know. I wanted you to find it later.
Ryan, thank you. Thank you for today.
Thank you. I'm the lucky one.
One more question.
Yes?
Tomorrow, can we do this again?
Of course. Every day if you want.
Every day. Yes, I want to keep going.
Then we will. Slow and easy.
Slow and easy. I like that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. In American coffee shops, what size is tall? Small, medium, or large? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoy these videos and would like to support the channel, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.